Why are more families choosing to move to the South? Hi guys, I'm Armand Cruz, your licensed real estate broker specializing in premium homes in New Valley in the South. And today we're here in a house turnover shooting this video before dumating yung ating mga brand new house owners. And let me just answer this question, bakit ang dami bang pamilya lumilipat dito sa South area? Let's begin with number one is the environment. I have this one client na lumipat sa Laguna Bel Air last year. And ang sabi niyang rason kung bakit gusto niyang umalis sa Makati is because yung bahay niya tabing kalsada. Meaning yung ingay ng kotse, yung pollution, yung ingay ng kapitbahay, 24/7, hindi siya makapagpahinga. And sobrang stress siya. And lo and behold, nung nakalipat siya dito and I visited him for a few months, ang itsura niya, sobrang relaxed na siya, he speaks more slowly, and he seems more happier. Number two, you can get more with your money. Just imagine if one-bedroom condominium unit in Makati will cost you around 10 to 15 million. And if you bring it here in New Valley and in the South area, you can get more with your money. You can get a 4-bedroom, 3 toilet and bath, and 2 carport na house. Just imagine yung pera mo, mas masusulit mo, mas marami ka makukuha. At meron ka pang lawn area. Lastly, lifestyle. The lifestyle here in the Valley is slower, it's more peaceful, more quiet. Just imagine, on Sundays, you can just walk outside of your house, walk around the neighborhood, you can walk your dog, you can teach your children to bike. Hindi ka mag-worry na may dadaan na sasakyan anytime soon because sobrang tahimik dito. Hindi lang yon, you're near travel destinations like Tagaytay, you also have Solinad, nandyan po yung Batangas, ang dami mong pwedeng gawin. Ngayon, did I miss anything ba? Kindly comment down below. I would like to hear from you. Bakit ka lumipat sa South? If you want more content from us, follow us in our social media accounts.